Hey guys, what's up? DMTKiller here today. Bringing you another Java for Noobs tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make a basic calculator. So this is where we left off. I showed you some basic data types like ints and doubles and strings. And today we will be making a basic calculator. So go ahead and make a new class. I'm going to call it program 3. Alright, and then what you want to do is don't forget your public static void main string args. Alright, so first thing what you want to do is you want to make sure that the person is able to input two numbers to be added together, and then you want it to display the two numbers added together. So what you want to do is you want to import a class from Java. A class is like, for example, what the thing you have to type in is import java.util, because it's a utility, .scanner, and then semicolon. And that will import a scanner, which will allow you to have an input, like a number. So then what you want to do is you want to declare your scanner. So this is also new. So scanner, capital S, input equals new scanner. And then inside of the brackets, well, inside of the parameters, you want to do system.in. And now I'm going to explain to you what I just did there. As you can see, this is the name of the class. Then this is the name of the scanner itself. And then you do equals new scanner system.in. This does not necessarily have to be inputs. I could name it reader, rougher, I don't care, writer, doesn't do actually writing, but I like to call it input so I know what my things do, so I don't get confused on what does what. Next, what we want to do is we want to let the user input two integers. So what you should do is you should go int num equals input dot next int. So what that does is it stores your input as an int, and what you have to do for that is next int, because it'll look for the next integer that you input is what it's going to put inside of the variable num. So we just want to do that for the second one too. So same line of code, except for the variable name is different. So input.nextInt, and it will be stored in num2. Now what we want to do is we want to make another int called total, right? And total is going to equal num plus num2. What that says is num1 plus num2 is the total of that is going to be put inside of the variable total. Now what we want to do is just out.print line, yes. And then inside of the variables, you want to put inside of the parameters, you want to put, did I set out system dot out dot print line? That's what print line. Oh gosh, print line. There we go. Okay, so inside of the parameters, you want to put. You don't want the usually you would have quotation marks, but this time you don't. Since you're printing out a data type, you don't use these, because that would mean it's a string. It's not a string, it's an int. So what you want to do is just type total. That's it. You run the program inside of our console. It'll show up. We just have to see, you can tell it's running by this icon right there. What you want to do is you want to type in two numbers. So 2 equals 4. Well, we kind of want it to be a bit simpler for the user to use it, because you don't want it to get confuse the person. So what you want to do is you want to make prompts prompts are useful to tell the person what to do. So enter first number, and then it'll be right there. So these, I like to space out my programs by like little sections, so I know what's going on. System dot out dot print line. Inside there, we want to do enter second number. Not now. There we go. And just space it out. Oh, then it just, I want to right here. Let's see, system dot out dot print line, and inside there I want to say your total is. And what I'm actually going to do this time is, instead of doing print line, I'm going to do just print. What that means is that it'll print this out on one line. So I'll actually show you right here. Enter first number, 2, 2. Your total is 4. As you can see, when you print, what it does is it prints on one line, and then, like, say your cursor would be here. Then I say print line total, so it's going to print total, and then it's going to go back to the next line right there. So that's what print and print line does, the difference between those two. So that's it. That's all I have to teach in this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Much appreciated. If you like the video, like it, and subscribe to help me out and to make sure that people are enjoying these videos. And if you want me to teach you something, just give me a PM and I'll see if I can get around to it. So thanks for watching and have a good day.